right, so now we have an application where the dimmer's been installed and we're ready to see what it can do. So basically we have off, we have on. This button in the center is called the favorites button. It's set to 50%. It can be set to another level, but I use the heck out of it because it's always just a comfortable level of lighting. You can also lower it even further down by pushing the down and up buttons, so you can take a little bit more out of it. There's your full bright, and we're off. Just that simple.